Welcome to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little origami dresses. They can be made in any kind of size. What I'll be using is a 6x6 square, but you can use any size square, as you can see from these other little dresses I have right here. They can be done as long as they're square. You can make them in any size. Alright, so we're first going to start out. Alright, so this 6x6 is going to be folded in half. Okay, so we're going to take this side and bring it to the center line where we folded it. We're going to turn it around, and again on this do the same thing on this side. We're going to flip it over, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3. This is the center crease. You're going to take the one line and bring it up and fold it together with this line. And then we're going to turn it around and do the same thing. You're going to take this one line and put it to the center. At this point, it should look like this. You can see it. It looks like that, all right? So we're gonna leave it on this side. Now I'm gonna have to come up here and take it and fold these two in half. And of course, you're using the side that you want the dress to be. So if you want the dress to be white, then you do the other side. It's the same with that. This side was white, and this looks like this. Great, so we have it folded in half at this point, and we can unfold it. There's your crease. You are going to fold it from that crease just about 1/4 of an inch, just a little bit. This becomes the waistband for the dress. All right, so you can see it here. Okay, so then at this point, you're going to flip it over top. You're going to turn this little corner to the center here. So it's going to go in here to the center. Take the other side. You can see that? You take this side and fold it into the center too. This will become the collar once we're done. So we're going to open this up. We made the lines here. You can see a line here and two there. You're going to put these in to where we made that line, so it becomes pointed at the corner. Put it down and press it down. Make sure these two are even as much as you can. All right, and then this flap comes down to fold a diamond. So then I'm going to take this corner and pull it over this way. And this one's going to come over here and do the same thing. So you have that. When we flip it over, which we will, it'll become like the collar of the dress right here. Okay, so now we're going to do the skirt part, which is down here. You're going to turn it sideways and just hold right in the corner and open it up. This is going to come up to a diagonal where you're opening up the creases. And then you're going to press it down. Okay, and then you're going to go over the same side, open it up. Get my hands out of the way, and this is going to be pulled up and until you can lay it down, and you can let's bring it down. Let's do it this way so you can see it. There we go. So that's what it looks like so far. And you can see the sideways view of it. So we're gonna flip it over again. And where this section is, we're gonna fold the whole dress all the way up to the half point on this side. And then you'll see this thing sticking out. You're gonna open that up and diagonally fold it so it looks like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna lift it up to the center, fold it over top, open this corner up, diagonally set it down, so it looks like that. Now we're going to go back to the top because this will form the sleeves right here. This gets turned over, right? And just be careful because the corners might crack a bit. All right, and then we'll go right here, put our fingers here and do the opposite side. This will become the sleeves. So there you have it, right here. There's the sleeves in here. Now, if you want, you can take a little bit of glue and glue these two here, down that. And if you see something hanging over, all you got to do is turn this up a little and then fold it down, and you won't even see anything excess sticking out. But for this video, I'm not going to glue these down. These are fine. But I did glue, just so you see, I glued these just right here down. And here you have it. Once you glue it down, you just bend it forward, and you can do all kinds of little dresses or different sizes. There's another one I did, and another one using all kinds of, and this is a great project to use up your scraps because I'm all into recycling things. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the red button to subscribe so you'll be able to see future crafting videos released every Monday. Thanks for stopping in and have a wonderful day.